In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter purchase invoices on Xero. If you're managing your business accounts, knowing how to efficiently log purchase invoices can help streamline your financial operations. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure everything is clear and straightforward for you. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is the central hub for all your accounting activities, and where you'll begin the process of entering your purchase invoices. Look toward the top of the dashboard where you'll notice the plus sign labeled Create New. Click on this to access a drop-down menu with several task options. From this menu, you'll want to select Bill. Clicking on Bill will open up a new page, allowing you to enter detailed information about the purchase invoice. Start by entering the supplier's name. As you type, you might see suggestions populating if the supplier is already in your system, which can save you some time. This feature is particularly useful if you regularly purchase from the same vendors, helping to speed up the process. Next, you'll need to set the date of the invoice. Be mindful. Getting the date right is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records, so double-check to ensure you're entering it correctly. Inaccurate dates can lead to discrepancies in your accounts, making tracking and analysis more challenging down the line. Following this, you'll need to enter a reference number for the invoice. This could be found on the invoice document provided by your supplier. Remember, this reference number is essential for tracking and retrieving this particular entry in the future, especially when you need to reconcile accounts or track payments. After inputting the reference number, move on to the details of the purchase. This includes descriptions of items, quantities, and any additional necessary notes that clarify what's being invoiced. Detailed descriptions help ensure everyone understands exactly what was purchased, which can ease communication with your suppliers. With all that information entered, you have a couple of options. If you're still confirming some details or need approval from someone else, you can click on Save to save the invoice as a draft. This keeps it recorded without finalizing it, allowing you to return and make any necessary amendments. On the other hand, if everything looks good and you're ready to finalize the entry, simply click on Approve. Doing this will complete the entry of your purchase invoice, officially recording it as part of your business's financial records. And there you have it. You've successfully entered a purchase invoice in Xero. Remember, keeping accurate and up-to-date invoices is crucial for maintaining clarity in your business finances. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out for more guidance.